Hey, if you want to upload video into your Google Drive, all you have to do is just to click on the new in the left upper corner, then select File Upload, and now just open all files that you have on your PC. In my case, I'm going to take something from the desktop, so I'm going to open this folder, and let's say that I want to upload this video. So I have to click on the ones with the left mouse button. For sure, you can still upload the multiple videos by selecting with the control. So click control on your keyboard and then with the left mouse button, select second video that you want to upload. But in my case, that's only example. So I'm going to upload this video, click to open. And now on the right bottom corner, you can actually find this uploading process. So in my case, it will take less than a minute. And when you go into the My Drive, you will be able actually to find your last uploaded file. So you can also modify, for example, last open it by my, modify, or from here you can also open mixed with the files. So there's like actually a lot of options to set. And as you can see right now, it was uploaded, so I can also click on it. And as you can see here, my Google Drive automatically locate this file. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.